Welcome back, Bears. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Audie, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Wednesday, September 4th, 2019.
Last week, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors took their yearbook photos. Faculty and staff also took part. If you missed out, makeup pictures will be October 4th. Take a look at some highlights.
Today through Friday, administrators will visit with seniors in their government classes, juniors in English 3 classes, and sophomores in chemistry and IPC classes.
Administrators will also visit with freshmen in their geography classes to present behavior and attendance expectations and other several important procedures.
Bears, make sure you have and are displaying your Brennan staff parking permit. Administrators and campus police will check the parking lots this week, especially the back lots. Cars without permits may be tagged with the warning sticker.
Bears, mark your calendars for open house Thursday, September 19th, 6:15 to 8:35 p.m.
Homecoming Spirit Days have arrived. Next Monday is Twin versus Meme Day, Tuesday is Movie Character versus Disney Character Day, and Wednesday is Decade versus Sports Day.
We continue with Thursday as Spirit Day as we go up against the J Mustangs, and remember to wear your mums. And we end Spirit Week with the Friday as Tourist versus Hippie Day.
Homecoming dance is scheduled Saturday, September 14th in the cafeteria from 8 to 11 p.m. Grade levels will nominate peers for the official ballot. QR codes to nominate are posted in the cafeteria and by the offices.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual cheer clinic Saturday, September 21st, beginning at 8:30 a.m. and ending at noon, with a show for parents. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and also participation in a performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Cynthia Ferrer at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Finally, our Bears won the Peanut Butter Bowl and beat Reagan 17-0 at Ferris Stadium Friday night. Take a look at some highlights.
Well, that's all we have for today. I'm Audie.
And I'm Adrian, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.